Environment Authority has brought down or is in the process of bringing down this particular mall because it is on riparian land and it is actually standing on Mutuini-Ngong River along Langata Road. And Silas Apollo has been following this, gave us an update earlier and will be giving us an update now. Silas, any reactions you're getting from your end?
Yes, Mark, it's been quite a busy day today, of course, as officers from the National Environmental Authority are bringing down this mall, which they say has been on riparian land, affecting the flow of the river of Nairobi. Of course, there's also been earlier concerns that because of this building and because of this mall, there's been a lot of flooding in Nairobi, in South Sea and Nairobi West areas, and so that is why one of the reasons why the mall is being brought down today. We managed to speak to some of the officials of NEMA who were telling us that, of course, a notice had been given, a 3-month notice had been given to the owners of this building to bring it down or to vacate it so that it can be brought down. Of course, it's a legal battle that began since, it's been there since 2016, if you can remember, during the tenure of Nairobi Governor Evans Kideru, who said that the building was put up illegally and on riparian land. And of course, there's been back and forth. They've been back and forth in courts trying to get court injunctions or trying to get court orders so that they be bringing back the building down. But that has not been successful until today. So it's quite a busy day, and of course quite a disappointing day to the tenants who've been forced to bring out their wares. Of course, some saying that they've also not been given a notice on whether they should have vacated the building or not. We spoke to some earlier. Of course, they were saying it's quite a frustrating day for them. Some crying foul, they don't know where to go, what else they need to do, and who they need to talk to. We also managed to speak to a brother of the owner of the building, who says that according to them, all the regulations and all the laws were followed. They got approvals for NEMA, they got approvals from Warma, they also got approval from the county government so that they can be able to build this building. And so it's quite a surprise that right now they're being told that they've not been able to follow the due process before coming up with the building. And of course, NEMA is insistent that this is one of the 4,000 buildings that they're targeting. Of course, recently there was the one in Kileleshwa, the Java Kileleshwa and the Shell, the Vivo building in Kileleshwa that was brought down. Of course, part of the ongoing campaign to reclaim the riparian lands, which is part of the Nairobi regeneration plan, which part of the plan is also to claim Nairobi River.